we're talking about the New Horizons program. So you see all these little kids running around outside, and they're always looking up at the sky, and they're always asking this one simple question: what is past the sky that I can see? Well, NASA has an answer for that one simple question. With this program, they sent a spacecraft called the New Horizons from Earth all the way to Pluto, the last planet in our solar system. And they just wanted to see basically what was out there, because no other spacecraft has went past this point in time, or this point in space in our lifetime or anybody else's lifetime. And they equipped the spacecraft with the newest technology that anybody could find, and some they had to even create for, like, the solar winds around Pluto and all that. They had 7 main instruments on this craft, and after the 7 main instruments, they put backup instruments on the craft, where the craft can actually change out the instruments if something mechanically fails on it. The craft itself can switch out the instruments. And the 7 main instruments are, one of them's called the RAF, Alice, Rex, Lori, SWAP, Pepsi, and there's one more. And the SDC. And what they're mainly used for is, like, the SDC is to collect space dust. So when the craft does get guided back to Earth, they can examine the dust and see what is out there, actually. And that's just basically what everything is. The craft itself had to fly, or be guided actually, over 4.6 billion miles to actually make it to Pluto. They launched the craft at the space station in Florida on July 6th of 2006. And it took the craft from 2006 to 2015 to actually make its journey to Pluto. And the craft was actually guided by students at the Johns Hopkins Physics Laboratory in Minnesota. And so the students got to experience all the learning and all the pictures and everything. And NASA itself has actually made a great accomplishment in our nation's history today, because they're the first program to ever reach Pluto. So it just works out for everybody. It's a great learning experience for scientists coming up, and it's a great learning experience just for scientists that are already at NASA, because they got to figure out so much stuff about outer space and what is out there and what's not out there. So they got to answer many questions because of this program.